Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the M.2 SS in your Lenovo Legion C8 16 Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static riced strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely and effectively complete the upgrade. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power surges during the process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will need to remove the screws securing the panel. There are typically DS screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop power. Take a moment to observe the layout, as this will help you during reassembly. Locate the M.2 SSD slot dentro. It is usually situated near the center of the motherboard. You will see a small screw holding the existing SSD in place. Carefully remove this screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screw is out, gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you are upgrading to a new SSD, ensure it is compatible with your Lenovo Legion C8. Now, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it is securely in place, replace the screw to hold it down. This step is crucial, as a loose SSD can lead to performance issues. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Once the back panel is back on, reconnect the battery if you removed it. Power on your laptop and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Check to see if the new SSD is recognized. If it is, you can proceed to install your operating system or clone your existing drive. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. In conclusion, replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Legion C8 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With your new SSD installed, you should notice improved performance and increased storage capacity. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your upgraded laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.